so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and do you see what I have? Yeah, I have some crafts. I sure do love crafts. Check it out. I have a pair of scissors. I have a stapler. And then I have some construction paper. Yeah! Ooh, and look over here. Yeah, a Christmas tree. Oh, it's that time of year. Yeah, it's the holiday season. Hey, and you and I, in this video, yeah, we're gonna make a Christmas tree chain decoration. I'm really excited. All right, this is gonna be so much fun. So, first what you need to do is make sure there's a grown-up around you if you're going to use scissors. Yeah, and they will teach you how to use them properly. Yeah, so I'm first gonna make a pink stripe. Actually, I'm gonna make a few of them. That's enough pink. All right, how about some orange? Okay, we'll start with just 2 colors, and then we'll add some more colors later. But first, you need to wrap this around from end to end. Yeah, just like that. And then take your stapler and staple it down. Oh, hello. Wow, it's an orange circle. All right, now what we're gonna do is take a pink stripe, put it through the orange stripe. There we go. Yeah, perfect. We did it. Look at that. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna wrap that around the orange stripe. Okay, and then we're going to staple that one together. Whoa, do you see what we're doing? Yeah, now they don't even come apart. Okay, let's put the orange one through. Yeah, see? And then loop it around, and then staple it. Whoa! Whoa! So cool. All right, I think we're ready for some more colors. Okay, let's take some red. How about blue and yellow? Whoa! Look at what we made! Wow, I think this is a pretty good size. So now what you want to do with your chain is go to your Christmas tree. Yeah, and then you wrap it around the tree. How about let's start right here. There we go. That looks like a great place to start. And then I'm gonna wrap it back this way. I'm not even gonna go around the whole tree. Okay, how about like that? How does that look? Yeah, that is awesome. We have done such a great job decorating this Christmas tree together. But we have another craft to make. Yeah, and this craft is a snowflake ornament. Yeah, have you ever seen a snowflake before? Yeah, it's basically just frozen rain falling down from the sky. Wow. How about just a plain white one? Yeah, that's like the color of real snowflakes. And this one, let's make another big one. There we go. Let's fold it, and fold it. There we go. Okay, so now let's do a little bunch of cuts. Wow, all right, how does this look? Do you think this is gonna turn out really cool? Yeah. Hey, I have an idea. Why don't we take a hole puncher and punch in a hole at this stage? That's cool. Okay. Oh, it's a little tough. Ugh. Actually, we might need to unfold it one time. Whoa, speaking of unfolding it, it looks so cool. All right, how about let's make a hole punch right there. Whoa. Let's make a hole punch right here. Yeah, another one right here. And another one right here. Okay, now let's unfold it. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa! This one is awesome! Whoa! All right, we definitely have a lot of holes already punched in it. So I think we should just hang it up and put it on the tree. Whoa! Okay, here we go. How about right over here? Right there? Yeah, that looks great. How does that snowflake look? Yeah, good job. Wow, we have done such a great job decorating this tree. But we're not done yet. Yeah, we need to continue the decorations with another at-home ornament. And this is a snowflake ornament. So what we have here, as you know, we have some colorful paint, a hot glue gun, some paper clips, some paint brushes for the paint, some felt balls. Wow, they're so colorful. Look at them. And we have some craft sticks. Yeah, you've probably seen these before, haven't you? Yeah, they're like popsicle sticks. Yeah, 2 popsicle sticks. Whoa, and it actually says there's 1,000 sticks. Whoa, that is a lot of popsicle sticks. Okay, well, I think we should probably count them so then we can make sure that we got all 1,000 of them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 997, 998, 999. Oh no! Oh, 999! Where's the 1,000th? Oh no. Hey! Yeah, you're right! Right up here! You got it! 1,000 popsicle sticks. Okay, well, we should probably get going on our craft now, huh? Now that we have all these popsicle sticks and all of our crafts. Okay, so first, let's take 1, 2, 3, and 4 popsicle sticks. And let's super glue, actually hot glue them together. So let's put just a little bit right in the center. And this is very hot, so I would assume a grown-up will help you with this, okay? I'm gonna put another one right there. And then put it just like that. Okay. Another one right there. And we're gonna go just like that. Yeah, how does that look? Whoa, whoa. Looks really good, huh? Yeah, looks like a snowflake. Okay, we're not done yet. We need to decorate the snowflake. So, I'm gonna take the hot glue gun and put some right on the edges and put some of these colorful balls. Wow, how does this look? Yeah. Okay, we'll let that sit right over there while we make another one. And this one, we'll use paint. Look at that. Hey, I think we have room for one more. Now that looks like a great snowflake. Okay, now this one, let's use some paint. Orange, blue, red, yellow, green. Wow, looks really good. Do you like it? Yeah, I like it too. Wow, turned out really good. Let's look at all the colors. We have green, yellow, blue, orange, red, and that's all. Okay, well, last step. We need to hot glue another hanger on the top. Yeah, there we go. And you could actually, hot glue some of these soft balls on it too, but we're not gonna. We're just gonna hot glue right on the orange, because that was the first color we did. So it's actually nice and dry. There we go. Perfect. Awesome. That looks really, really good. Okay, we'll let this one dry, but I think in the meantime, we should take this one, the one we did earlier, and put it on the tree. Wow. Okay, how about right near the top, huh? Yeah. Let's take the hook it right there. Wow. How does that snowflake look? Wow. I love it. Good job. Okay, I think we should go get the other one. Woo. Okay. Yep, I think it's dry. Okay, perfect. All right, how about right down here? Yeah. Wow. Look at all of these holiday crafts we made together. Whoa, did you have fun? Yeah, I sure did too. I really enjoyed making all of these with you. Well, I'm excited to see what ones you make this year. Yeah, are you gonna make the chain? Yeah, what a great tree decoration that is. You could also probably hang it from a wall. Whoa, what about the construction paper snowflakes? Wow, they look so cool, huh? Yeah. Ooh, the popsicle sticks. Yeah, the snowflakes made from popsicle sticks. Wow, those are also so cool and colorful. Maybe you'll make just one, maybe you'll make all three. Yeah, well, I can't leave before decorating the tree one more time. How does that look? Real good. That looks really good, huh? Whoa, so cool. Whoa, these are so colorful. That looks perfect, huh? Wow, what a beautiful tree! Yeah! That was awesome. Well, you did such a great job with all these crafts and decorations that we've done. I just want to wish you happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and thank you so much for being my friend. See you again. Bye-bye. Well, I had a lot of fun with you, but this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout.